Can you trademark a logo that you created using Canva? This is a really interesting listener question that I wanted to take the opportunity to create a video for everyone out there, every new business out there who is worried about whether their business and their brand can be protected if they created a logo using a provider like Canva, where you're basically using stock images created or stock graphics created by somebody else and putting them together into a logo and using that to promote your business. So the question on whether you can trademark a logo that you created using stock graphics from somebody else from platforms like Canva really is a great illustration of the difference between trademark law and copyright law and how both can be used to protect your intellectual property. So a trademark is basically a commercial symbol like a logo that you use to differentiate your products and services from everyone else in the marketplace. Copyright is a body of law that protects artists and creators of artwork, graphics, text, videos, live performances, podcasts, audio, all of those different elements of content. Copyright law protects your creations. So you can kind of see when it comes to a logo, there's a crossover between trademark law and copyright law, and both can be used to protect logos. Now, when you are creating a logo using graphics that were created by somebody else, copyright law protects that person or that company. But trademark law protects the person or the company who is using that graphic to sell their products and services. And so you can kind of see how the copyright belongs to somebody else and it is protecting them, but trademark law is going to protect your use of that logo in connection with the sale of products and services. So the simple answer is yes, you absolutely can trademark a logo that you created using Canva, that you created using stock graphics that were created by somebody else. Now, I will say that there's a couple things you need to be careful of when you are relying upon trademark law. And if you are going to trademark your logo that you created using Canva, is one, do some really good searching to make sure that there isn't somebody else out there who is using the same logo or something very similar, because you both collected, or everyone has the availability of these graphics to use and to incorporate into a logo. You want to make sure that you are the first one to be using that logo or something that's very similar in connection with products and services of your type. So basically, in your industry, in your field, you are the first one to use that logo to differentiate your products and services. Secondly, you want to make sure that after you start using this logo, that you're keeping an eye out to make sure nobody else pops up with a very similar logo in your industry. And you want to take the steps to ensure that your use of that logo remains exclusive. One of the ways that you can do that is by trademarking that logo and getting yourself a registration, which essentially is a federal government grant of the exclusive right to use that logo in connection with the products and services claimed in your trademark registration. So I hope this video was helpful. My name is Cynthia Mason. I am a Canadian lawyer and trademark agent, and I work with the law firm of Mason PC, as well as with the online trademarking platform Markably, where you can quickly and easily trademark your logo.